Welcome back to Easy English Talks. I'm Alex, and today we're going shopping. In English, of course.
And I'm Mia. Whether you're buying clothes, groceries, or a new phone, knowing how to speak in a shop is super useful.
So in today's episode, we'll teach you how to ask for sizes, prices, try something on, and more.
And yes, we'll help you return things too.
Mia, what kind of shopping do you enjoy most?
Clothes shopping. I love trying on new styles, but I never know what to say when I need help.
You're not alone. That's why we're here.
So what should I say when I walk into a store?
Try this. Hi, I'm just looking, thanks. Or, can I get some help, please?
Easy. And if I'm looking for something specific?
Say, do you have this in size medium, or do you have this in another color? Hello, can I help you find anything today?
Yes, I'm looking for a black jacket.
Sure. What size do you wear?
I usually wear medium. Do you have that size?
Let me check. Yes, here it is. You can try it on in the fitting room.
It fits well. How much is it?
It's $45.
Great, I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap or insert your card when ready.
Okay, what if I want to return something later?
Good question. Say, hi, I'd like to return this item. Or, it doesn't fit. Can I exchange it?
And if it was on sale?
Some stores say no returns on sale items, so always check first.
Got it. What about bags?
In some places they ask, do you need a bag or would you like a receipt? Let's review some key phrases from today's episode. Do you have this in size medium? Where is the fitting room? How much is this? Can I pay by card? I'd like to return this item.
And don't forget polite phrases. Please, thank you, excuse me.
Also, always try to speak clearly and don't be afraid to ask again if you don't understand.
English is not about perfection, it's about connection.
And that wraps up episode 5, Shopping in English.
Next time you go shopping, you'll know exactly what to say and how to say it.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more weekly English practice.
What do you usually buy when you go shopping? Tell us in the comments.
See you in the next episode of Easy English Talks.